Hello students of class 8. Today I am going to continue with the climatic region portions of the North America. In the last video I have continued up to the Laurential type. In this video I am going to start with the West European type of climate. Okay, so this particular West European type of the climate is found in the northwestern coast where the warm Pacific drift is found and keeps the sea and the rivers free from freezing. Winters are very much cold over here, but the temperature do not fall below the freezing point, and summers are pleasantly warm. Rainfall occurs over here all around the year. Now let us see this place in the map. So the West European type of the climate is found where along this portion of the Pacific Ocean. Over here, what is the climatic situations? Over here, the winters are very cold, but the temperature do not fall below the freezing point. And what happens over here, as a result of that, the place do not get freezed up like the other parts of the North America. Here the summers are very pleasant and rainfalls occur throughout the year. The next one is the continental cold type of the climate. We get this type of the climate in the central part of USA. Over here summers are very hot and winters are very cold. Rainfall amount is very less, and over here the climate is known as the prairie type of climate. So now let us see this continental cold type of the climate in the map. The continental cold type of the climate is found in the central part of the USA, specifically this place it is being found. Over here the summers are actually very hot and the winters are very cold. In this particular region the rainfall is very small and uncertain, and the climate of this region is known as the prairie type of the climate. And the next one is the tropical hot climate. This tropical hot and the humid climate is found in the countries that are present in the southern part of North America. This climate is very much hot and humid in nature, and here rainfall occurs almost throughout the year. Cyclonic storms are very common in this particular region. Now let us see this place in the map. So this tropical hot and the humid type of the climate is found in the southern section of the North America, in the countries like Florida, West Indies that are present over here. You can see the Florida is over here, the West Indies is over here. So these are the region, or this is the region where we get the tropical hot and humid type of the climate. This climate is described as very much hot and humid in nature. Humid means the air over there contains a lot of moisture. Okay, rainfall occurs over here almost throughout the year, and over here there is some cyclonic storms like hurricane is very common in this particular region. The next climatic region is the Mediterranean type. So this Mediterranean type of the climate prevails in the coast of California. In this type of the climate, the summers are hot and dry, but the winters are mild in nature. Okay, and rainfall occurs during the month of the winter, and over here the winter rains comes from the south, or the rain is brought by the southwest westerly wind. Now let us see this in the map. So this is actually the coast of California. So over here the Mediterranean type of the climate is found. It prevails along this coast of this California. You can see in the map. Over here the summers are very hot and dry type, and in the summers it do not have, means this region do not get rainfall during the time of the summer. It gets rainfall during the time of the winter. The reason is that during the summer time the wind that blows over here are very much drier in nature, because the wind is dry. That is why there is no rainfall occurs in this particular region during the time of the summer. But in the case of the winter, the wind that blows through these particular regions are moist and carries moisture. That is why the rainfall occurs over here during the time of the winter. Okay, and winters are very much mild over here. The next one is the hot desert type. Okay, this hot desert type of this climate is found in the southern portion of California and Arizona region, and it is extremely hot and dry in nature. Winters are very cold. So let us see this in the map. So the Arizona portion is actually present in this section of California, and so this is the southern portion of California, and this Arizona is also present in this section. Over here the summers are very hot and the winters are very cold. So this is all about the climatic regions of the North America. I will continue with the natural vegetation in the next video. Thank you everyone.